Hello, assalamualaikum. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make eggless tiramisu. This is probably the best eggless tiramisu I've ever made in my life. I've made it so many times. Everybody loves it. My family loves it. I love it. I hope you love it. If you try it, please do. Please do. Why eggless? Because I don't like raw eggs in my desserts, but no offense to those who like it, you do you. So ingredients you will need are LadyFingers Biscuits, whipping cream, cream cheese or mascarpone, coffee, vanilla, cocoa powder, condensed milk, sugar, and milk powder. Add your milk powder to your whipping cream. Add your sugar as well. So, milk powder stabilizes whipping cream. When you want to whip your whipped cream, do not over whip it, it will turn into butter. Just whip until you reach this point. Once you reach it, please stop, immediately stop, because you don't want it to separate and turn into butter. So, now add your vanilla to your cream cheese. And add in your condensed milk. I prefer cream cheese because I like the tanginess of it, but if you like mascarpone, you can definitely use it. Like I said, you do you. Don't forget to what is that? Don't forget to scrape the bottom of your bowl so that you get everything mixed in. Now you want to mix your whipped cream and your cream cheese together, but you want to do it in batches because you want to introduce the lightness of your whipped cream to the heaviness of the cream cheese. The first batch, add your whipped cream to your cream cheese, and once you're done with that, add all your cream cheese into your whipped cream. And fold them gently. I know I don't look gentle in here because this is fast speed. So, okay, assemble time. The first layer will be cream cheese. Now take your LadyFingers biscuits and soak it in coffee and assemble it. Once you're done with that, add more cream cheese. And spread it evenly. On top, sprinkle some cocoa powder and repeat the whole step again and again and again until you reach the top. LadyFingers biscuits, cream cheese, and cocoa powder. Make sure the top layer is cream cheese and cocoa powder because it looks nice. Put it in the fridge for one night so it sets and you're basically done. So I see you when I see you.